In this video, I will share how to install SnapEngage using Google Tag Manager. So in short, SnapEngage is a live chat software for sales and support team. So this SnapEngage software is like highly integration. You can do like Zendesk, HubSpot, SalesDesk, and HubSuite, and many like project management. The integration is quite many. So recently they just launched this SnapEngage Design Studio. Like you can customize the color, everything, the layout, and then they have more and more. So basically, it's just another like live chat software. How to install this? I will paste the link in the description below. My purpose of this is like install live chat, and then another is track the chat events into Google Analytics. I'm the marketer, so I love everything I want to track, including like how many like people submit using live chat and everything. So let's go to the important part. Is like once you already sign up the SnapEngage and then into account, you have this tab. It's called the get the code. So the typical method is just copy the code and then put at the body here, the closing body. And the good news is like if you're using Google Tag Manager, actually the Tag Manager is the code inside the custom HTML here. It will appear at the body parts. So it's support. So we can apply this code and then using Google Tag Manager. So this is another example. So you say your final snippet should look like this. So this is the code from above. You copy from here and then just paste into Google Tag Manager as a custom HTML. So it's just very easy. But I take into another step is like I want to track everything, like how many people like submit the live chat, click the email us, or even the live one. So I came across like you look at here, review everything. I will paste this link in the below. The next example is like it will show you the additional code you must put inside together with the Google Tag Manager. This one is it will say that add the events below for the API destination line. So this one, the green color box is like you can customize everything using the API from SnapEngage. This one just very straightforward. You paste the Google Analytics tracking code. And then make sure just please comment out this line, the last one. The one like you need to take time to think about what's your marketing objective is like. Here as an example, the JavaScript event for the SnapEngage. For me is I just want to track the message sent. So user is we can see call when the visitor posts the form is offline. So another one is I want to track the online. So I using the StartChat. Call when the visitor start a chat. So meaning the user start the engagement. So you can read more like about like so many open proactive the example here. What we do is you just paste the get the code from here. There are two parts, the upper parts, and then I change this is the additional code. So I just make it live simple. What I do is the start chat, actually this one is referred to the online. So when somebody already chat something, there you can customize everything. They fill the email, message, and then the name. It will fire this code. So this code actually is the very usual event, Google Analytics event tracking code. Send event. So the name of the event is SnapEngage, and then followed by action, start chat, and then I use the dynamic link at here, the page URL. And then another one is actually just copy paste everything the same. I've set the event, I choose the message submit. So this one is the offline, this one is the online. So I differentiate is to this is start chat, I know, and then the email us, the event tracking the action parts there. So this is the label I use at page URL. The reason is I can know which URL track for this. And then the second part is just paste your Google Analytics tracking code. Just make sure this you comment out. Just very simple, and then just save. Depends on your website structure, you can apply this code as your all page or whatever. So just very simple, and then I will paste this the whole code at the description below, and then make sure the angle bracket is might be not support here. So but you can understand, right? Okay, the next one is if everything is work well, what you can see from your Google Analytics event, you have something like this. So this is under your behavior. So remember, my category event name is SnapEngage, which you can see from here is SnapEngage. So I have StartChat and email us. Let's check it out. So when I click the event action, I have like both StartChat and email us. So I can know, okay, StartChat how many conversion, and then of course you can continue use the secondary dimension to make your report or your analysis as well. This is the most powerful part I love about Google Tag Manager. If you click the event label, so I can know which page, which URL generate the most live chat, and then like the user always love to go there and to submit whatever engagement. This is how my system I utilize for this SnapEngage. Hope you love something about this tutorial. This is very simple if you use the SnapEngage. So, and again, don't forget to like give some comment. Remember to subscribe my channel at here, and then happy tracking.